Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can keyframe video effects on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video like so. Then add in any video effects that you want. For instance, the blur ones. I'm just going to go to lens and I'm going to add in the motion blur on top. And I want it to fade right about here. So I'm just going to add it to the whole video and I'm going to select both the effect and video, right click, create compound clip. Here's where I can keyframe the video effects essentially. Add in a keyframe in opacity under blend and then have it to 100. And for instance, you want the effect to disappear here, you're going to put down the opacity to a 0. And that is it. It's so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!